We haven't seen a storm like this in decades. Ice, snow, wind, and more ice, hitting our communities hard. Governor Brown even declared a state of emergency. And many of our customers have had to deal with the power outages and not knowing exactly when their power will come back on. That makes the stress and uncertainty of this storm even worse. There were multiple points across our system that were damaged during this storm. Lines that come from our power generation plants, substations that connect those power plants to neighborhoods, and power lines that deliver energy to your homes and businesses. The hard part? Outages happen throughout the storm. Wind, ice on power lines, falling trees and branches. All of these things have caused extensive damage, and many of you have been without power for days. As we fix one area, falling trees take down other areas, and even cause outages somewhere that we just restored. It usually isn't just about fixing one line or one power source. All parts of the line, from the power plant to your home, need to be repaired before it's safe to deliver power to you. We are working as quickly as safety allows to make repairs. This type of work is extensive and, unfortunately, takes time. It may be many days before we can restore power to everyone, so we thank you for your patience as we work to safely restore power for all.